Hey guys, I'm Jeremy. I'm the Marketing Account Manager here at Empirical360, and today I'll be covering the daily account health check process. I'll be covering what a negative keyword is and the importance, our daily metric checklist, and how we double check our tracking. So what is a negative keyword? It's a type of keyword that prevents your ad from being triggered by a certain word or phrase, so that your ads aren't shown to anyone searching for that word or phrase, so that only relevant tracking is coming through and you aren't paying for useless clicks. So for example, if you're a local doctor and you don't want to show up for a competitor down the street, we will negative out his name, Dr. Joe, and his practice so that none of your ads will show on any traffic for people searching for him. Next is our daily metric checklist, and we look at the conversion rate and cost per conversion. And with these metrics, we look for two things. One, make sure that it's consistent and on par with your monthly goals. And two, for any wild swings. So if there's a wild negative swing, then we will look at the tracking, which I'll cover on the next slide. And if it's a wild positive swing, we'll take credit for that for being the marketing geniuses that we are. Next, we look at the spend. Did it hit budget or is it limited by budget? And bid adjustments. If you are below or hitting your daily budget, we probably won't make any bid adjustments at the keyword level. But if you're being limited by daily budget, we'll go in and look at your keywords to see what the high performers are, and we'll allocate more budget and maybe bump some of those lower performing ones to get more volume for you. Next is our tracking system. We'll look at Google Analytics, our website forms, your CRM, and CallRail. So like I said before, if there is a wild negative swing, then we will go ahead and go into Google Analytics. And if the conversions in Google Analytics don't match up with your Google Ads, then we know that something is either broken on your website, your CRM, or somewhere, and we'll have to look further into that. But if they do match up, then we will go into CallRail as a triple check redundancy and count each individual call to make sure that that adds up as well. Because maybe we just had a bad day. And finally, the benefits of our daily health checks. By keeping a pulse on your account every single day, we're more prone to finding any issues with tracking that I mentioned on the previous slide. So if we were to make a decision on a poor performing or seemingly poor performing campaign and not have looked at it for 2 weeks, that would just be poor data and we would just be guessing. But by seeing it every single day, we catch those issues and implement it right away for full optimization. And another benefit would be getting rid of all irrelevant traffic to our campaign, so you're not wasting money on clicks and you're getting the most relevant traffic possible. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, stay classy.